I've been using the Hoopla digital app to borrow audiobooks and stream movies, but one day it just froze completely. Nothing would load. If you're facing something similar, here's what I did to fix it without overcomplicating anything. First, make sure your Hoopla app is fully up to date. Sometimes older versions can crash or lose compatibility with newer features. Open your device's App Store or Google Play Store, search for Hoopla, and see if there's an update button. If there is, tap it and let the update install. After that, fully close and reopen the app. This alone usually clears up freezing, login issues, or loading screens for most users. If the app is updated and still not working, it's time to reach out to Hoopla support. You don't need to call, just visit hoopladigital.com, scroll to the bottom, and click Help or Contact Us. You'll find a form where you can explain the issue in detail. Make sure to mention what device you're using, what version of the app you have, and what exactly is going wrong. Their team usually replies within a day and can reset your account or suggest app-specific fixes based on your setup. And that's how I got the Hoopla app working again without needing to reinstall or mess with settings. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more app solutions, and check the description for helpful links. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next read or stream.